This is our breakfast. You have bacon, sunny side up, bread, fruits, cereal, and milk.
Tea.
And tea, yes, tea.
Yes, let's enjoy.
And let's enjoy
Cool, cool tea.
homemade breakfast.
We are at Jackson Square. Looking for nations.
Nations. So this is the main shopping mall in Hamilton. Chinese. Yes, it sounds in Chinese.
I tell you, the first time I came in here, I walked out and saw white people and I was very surprised. I came out and I saw white people and I was very surprised because
Is
I
it?
thought I was back in. Oh, these are cool.
So these are second-hand clothes, right? No.
It might be cheap. I was just looking at the back. My friend said that they are planning to sell the building and build a condo on top. So, there's quite a lot of people.
Yeah, Nations Big Grocery Store. There are a lot of food here. All the dried food, whatever you want. It's quite complete, I should say. And I'm trying to look for Hong Kong flour. I don't know where is it. I'm just walking around and around. But the whole market full of stuff. Yeah. You see the Japanese mochi also. Oh, their eggs there.
This is the back house. Turkey, koala.
Everything.
Right?
Whatever you want is here.
Yan yan. This is the top of the house. Hi Chew, hi Chew. Oh, there was a Indomie mee goreng also.
Is it?
Yeah, in an instant packet. They're actually really good.
Is it?
I have them. Here we see the great chef at work, getting ready. We have cleared the countertops for his masterpiece. You want to show us the loba in its original form? Ta-da! Here we have the proverbial boiling pot that doesn't boil because we are watching it. Boil faster. Boil faster. Boil faster. Chop, 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 chop. Slice, slice, slice. Up.
Too much, that's okay.
Yeah, it tastes good.
丁香、
丁香。
桂皮。
Ta-da! This is really very Chinese.
Hmm.
This is very Chinese. Dried prickly ash, also known as Sichuan peppercorns. Eggs. Alright, the fire has started. We have a very fancy induction cook stove. That is a very high fire. That's a very high fire. Leh.
Right.
That's why I was like, are you sure? Ta-da! So, what is the aim of this part?
To fry the meat so that you have a layer of little bit of crust in the meat itself.
Okay, and then what's the next step?
The next step is raw sugar.
Oh, and then you caramelize. Are you going to caramelize in the pot with the meat?
Yep.
Is that how it works?
Yep.
Stay tuned. Get out of your way. Oh, very few pieces left. Are you sure it's enough?
Yep.
Thank you. And a few more minutes later, we have a crust covering,
Yep.
kind of, sort of. And a few more minutes later, we finally start to see the color, the caramelization happening. Dun dun dun! What is in store? What next is in store for our poor pieces of meat? Stay tuned to find out. Next, all the spices from earlier are going in. Empty bowl. All the food. And dark soy sauce. Alright, we've added 3 bowls of water and we're adding eggs. Slowly,
Surely.
very slowly. The famous Chao Jiu Gan. There's that noodle soup store. You can just pick random food and they have one.
Tofu.
Yong Tau Fu, correct.
No.
But it looks the same, eh? Looks the same, eh?
Actually,
Okay. Is there a lid on this?
yep.
Okay. One last look at it before. See you later. Apparently, the pot was big enough. Oh well. We spoke too soon.
No, it's okay. It's good.
But it just starts smelling a little bit. One moment later. Next on the list is this gigantic slab of salmon that we bought at Nations, which has just been deboned. I'm not even sure how he deboned that, but sure. What's that fish? Sizzle. Okay, so we need a bowl.
This is our dinner. Rice, loba, fish.
Boo!
And Jacqueline said, boo. Say again.
Boo!
Say again. Again.
Again.
Yeah. Good.